Hi and welcome. Today's tutorial video we want to discuss the quotient rule and how to remember this. Now there are many different ways of how you can remember it, by low, high and so forth, but what I like to do is, in this case, I like to work from the bottom to the top. Let me explain. So now you write the denominator as it is, multiplied by the derivative of the numerator minus, and then you do the opposite of what you did here, all over g of x all squared. So the opposite here is you take the derivative of the denominator and then you write the numerator as it is. So basically numerator all over the denominator. Now we write, an easy way we can say is dn minus d, and in this case here it's the dn for this numerator. The only difference is the stroke, and then it's obviously the d squared. So let's check it. Denominator as it is, denominator as it is, numerator find the derivative minus denominator derivative, all multiplied by the numerator all over d squared. So we have a formula now. So basically a formula, when we in our exams you can say dn minus dn all over d squared, and don't forget we'll say derivative there and there, so it's basically the opposite, dn stroke there then dn stroke there. So that's the easy way for you to remember it. Now let's look at this here. We can say d, write down d, 2x minus 1, and remember our n will have to be the derivative, 2x minus, which is always the case, dn also, but remember now this was, if this is dn that, this will have to be dn that stroke. So just follow as we go, you get the hang of it. So now we'll write the derivative of the denominator, which is 2, and the numerator we write it as is, which is x to the 2 all over d squared. So now this is the easy part, 2x minus 1 all squared. And there you go, that's it. Easy peasy, hey? Lemon squeezy. So this is the rule that we have came across and devised, the quotient rule made simple. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a like.